Hi, this is Shankar. Today I am going to explain the second experiment of the technology. Uh, Here, the second experiment, we have to create a web page with some inbuilt iframes, field sets, and form tags and everything. So here I have created two web pages. First web page contains the basic things that I can show here. So I have to insert these tables, and these are all arranged in table format with the iframe of YouTube videos. So the first one, we have a header with the h1 tag. This was the image and heading for the page, and the second one is the navigation tag, in which I have a table within that. The first table for the first link will goes to the PC games, or for the, and next for the software and mobile side. Second, and the next last tag is for text type, which is going to search values, and I created that. Then section tag contains the paragraph tag about the description of the page, and the audio shows the place the ringtone for it, and then iframe tag for the YouTube about video. Then the footer tag, which contains three columns. The first column contains a field set about contact us, address lines, mail ID, which will directly on clicking will go to the mail, and phone number to the phone. Then second column contains register instead in that username password for registering with us, and the third is for map. So these things are available over here, and the next form tag is used here. We have to insert about the normal values, such as text box, then text area, buttons, and everything. To insert the values, it should looks like this. For the first name, it should field is required, and last name field required, and the date of birth, then age, then should be greater than 18. So all the patterns and the matching should be done, and should be available in the web page itself. So here at first one, personal details, it is required, as you can see, and the last also required, last name also required, and the age should be greater than 19, so I used min 19. Then the gender, we have used common name for everything, so you can select any one of this. Then this is the progress bar. Then text area for the address, then city. Then I have the drop down for that. Here select is a state, and in that state it shows what are the state, like Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Andhra, Karnataka, whatever it is. Then select. Then zip file should be of the pattern 0 to 9. It can be 5 to 5 comma anything, so it means minimum 5 characters should be there. Then contact details, here telephone should be of patterns plus 09 in that format, like containing 0 to 9 values in the text box, and numbers should be of 5 to more than 5, at least 5 numbers should be there. Same way for that cell phone. Then email address, for it will, if you tell type of email, it will automatically check for the email type. Then URL, so we have to paste the valid URL inside that. Then qualification, we have to select use checkbox. Then placeholders, text box contain placeholders. Then options, we have to choose a country, whatever you want. The same way I created 4 rows, as you can see the 4 rows are being created, and the last one is we have to select the file from this. So I have used accept method, so here it automatically accepts and everything. Then submit, it will submit the form, and it will direct to the next page. So here this is the second experiment, so I can show you. So this is the first page containing everything. Then you can have the so paused it. Then when I click register, it will go to the next resume containing all the things that I've added. So you can see the patterns are matching, can be done in this form itself. So this is the second experiment. Thank you.